Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we will continue Unseen World. And yeah, I'm excited for this one, Black Hole. You guys hyped this one up a bit, so we will see. We also have the live performance from this video where I did Manners, I think. So, it's not a very long song. Yeah, which makes me think this will be intense.
This is the Tawari called Black Hole, you know?
The speed. Akane immediately crazy. Whoa. Yo. Holy shit! Man! I mean, Akane is just sick in this. I mean, they all are. If you also listen to some of the like chugging or shredding, the speed of it is just insane. I'm not even sure if it's Kanami or Miku, but damn. I mean, this part we just heard, like, yeah, actually, I think I will just start the song over. I'm really sorry, but there's so much going on and so fast. This is crazy, man.
This is the Tawari called Black Hole, you know?
And it really kind of feels like a black hole just sucking everything in chaos. I mean, this part is hard to follow, but crazy. And this is just Band-Maid turned up to 200. And I mean, it's 1 minute, and in 1 minute they have like the intro, this crazy verse. I'm guessing it's the verse. It's a bit of an undefinable part, but it's fun to listen to, definitely. Yeah, and then the chorus, everything just in 1 minute. The speed of this song. I'm not sure. You probably know the BPM. Is this their fastest song? I'm not sure. Please tell me. And then all these kinds of sounds and non-stop. Nice backing vocals. this is probably the craziest song I've heard in a long time. Man, what the freak. I mean, just the first half, I thought, yeah, I was already like blown away by the craziness and what they can fit in such a short period of time, but it even took another turn in the second half, man. What was that? Man, I mean, I'm immediately tempted to like listen to this whole song again, but we will listen to it live, which, okay, play that live, man. That's not easy. But yeah, this, like, how can you fit such nice and beautiful backing vocals and also, yeah, like these catchy, cheeky parts, like na 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 na, something like this in such an intense and heavy and crazy song. It really feels like there's just everything, just a bit of everything in this song. Like I said, still feels like Band-Maid, but just turned up to I don't know what. I mean, maybe I think there are subtitles here. Hopefully, maybe I can check out some of the lyrics, because yeah, like just musically, this really, the title I feel is really fitting, just like a black hole that sucks in everything, and yeah, you don't really know what it becomes once it meshes together, but yeah, apparently that's what it sounds like. So let's check this out live. Man, this was good.
This is the one I call the black hole, you know?
Those Miku backing vocals are so nice, or like their harmonies together. So crazy, man. mean, this song, you didn't hype it up too much, to be honest. This one, yeah, I mean, I've just right now experienced this for the first time. There was one shot of Psyche where she looked a bit scary. I don't know. Man, I think this might become my favorite Band-Maid song. I didn't think that, and I mean, it's really hard to compare something like this to Mirage, which is my favorite song right now. But yeah, I mean, how can you even play at those speeds and still hit everything? Yeah, once again, I really like that just the bass in these live performances, you can just hear it better. Yeah, just got a bit lost in the chaos of the studio version. But yeah, I was a bit overwhelmed with everything. Man, this song, yeah, I said it all before. It's just so crazy how you can fit like so much in 3 minutes. Impressive, really impressive, man. Damn. Yeah, I think the next one, Without Holding Back, it sounds like they will not hold back there either, but I can't imagine this can be rivaled. Yeah, I mean, I'm really happy about this song and this album as a whole. Yeah, because there's so much variety. It really feels like, yeah, you know, when I listen to some of the other albums, not like they sounded the same, but the style wasn't as varied as in this one. This is crazy. Okay, I said crazy enough in this video, so thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!